Hey friends, a lot of users are reporting that their My Documents folder is missing on their Windows computer and they want it back. Now, here's the thing. There are two My Documents folders. I'll show you. I'll expand this window. One is in OneDrive, this one, and one is a local one. So these are different. They are both different. Okay, they may be synced with each other, so they may seem same, but they are different. So is the local one missing or is the OneDrive one missing? If the local one is missing, then you will have to reset your computer. But if the OneDrive one is missing, then press the Windows key and the R key together and copy paste this command from the description section of the video and hit enter. It will take you to the documents folder. And if that doesn't help, then simply click on OneDrive, click on the settings symbol, click on this download pointing arrow, click on quit OneDrive, quit it, then search for OneDrive once again and then click on OneDrive. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.